Question: Paano po kung lagpas sa 20K per sem ang tuition fee ng student? Re: SSS Educational Loan, Study Now, Pay Later. Answer: ito po. Based sa research natin sa website ni SSS, amount of loan. So kung degree courses po yan or 4-year courses ang student natin, maximum of 20,000 po per semester, trimester, quarter term, or actual tuition or miscellaneous fees, whichever is lower, rounded off to the next higher 100. Kung vocational or technical course naman po, minimum of 2 years, maximum of 10,000 po ang ma-avail natin sa SSS Educational Loan per semester, trimester, or actual tuition or miscellaneous fees, whichever is lower, rounded up to the next higher 100. The loan shall be funded by national government and SSS on a 50-50 basis. Any excess on a tuition fee and miscellaneous expenses shall be borne by the member or beneficiary. O yan po ang sagot, ma'am. Kayo po ang mag-shoulder if excess po sa 20,000 yung payable sa school. For example, 22,000 po ang payable sa school sa tuition fee ng anak ninyo. So since 20,000 lang po ang maximum amount ni SSS Educational Loan, yung 2,000 po, kayo po ang magbayad personal. So ang interest rate pala nito, ma'am and sir, if you are interested, ayan po. Sa national government portion, zero interest. Sa SSS portion naman, 6% per annum based on diminishing principal balance until fully paid. And 1% per month shall be charged for any unpaid amortization. So dapat updated yung payment ninyo if magbayad na po kayo. Kasi may 1% penalty per month kung delayed po yung bayad ninyo. So sa mga interested po na mag-avail nito, ito po yung required documents. 5 po. So pakibasa na lang po, sir and ma'am. Ayan po. By the way, I'm one of the recipients po sa SSS Educational Loan. Dalawang student ko po ang nag-graduate from Ateneo de Davao University because of this SSS Educational Loan. Right? So, thank you for watching. Hope na nasagot ko yung question niyo, ma'am. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.